Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you 6 important signs on your palm that indicates that you are very lucky money wise. Along with this, at the end of the video, I'm going to share you the remedies that you should do to improve your luck money wise. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So the first very important sign on your palm that indicates that you are very lucky money wise is the M sign on your palm. If you have a clear M sign on your palm, that indicates that you are very lucky money wise. You have a good intuition power, you have a good leadership quality, you know how to get work done through others, and it seems like that you get the opportunity at the right time. You will never ever face scarcity of money in your life, but make sure that it should be a clear M on your palm. There should be no cut, no cross. And second, no very important sign on your palm that shows that you are a money magnet. You will be able to attract wealth and abundance in your life very easily. That is the Venus mount. So Venus mount is the area below the thumb. If this particular area is developed, it is bulging, and there are few horizontal and vertical lines shown here that indicates that you are very lucky money wise. You are a money magnet. You will be able to attract money easily in the life, and you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life. This is a very lucky sign. If you have this sign on your palm, this particular area is bulging, it is soft, that indicates that you will be able to get easy money in your life, and you will be able to accumulate lot of wealth in your life. Most important sign on your palm that shows that you are very lucky and you are carrying a very positive energies from the past life, that is the Jupiter mount. Jupiter mount is below your index finger. So below your index finger area is a Jupiter mount. If this particular area is well developed, it is bulging, that indicates that you have done very good karmas in the past life, due to which you get an exalted Jupiter. That it indicates that you have exalted Jupiter. That indicates that you have a blessings of your ancestors too. Jupiter is a planet that tells about your luck, how lucky you are. Will you able to accumulate wealth in your life, or you will be struggling health or wealth wise. So if this particular area is exalted, developed, bulging, that indicates that from the past life you are carrying a very positive karma, due to which you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life, and you will be able to accumulate lot of good wealth, and you will be able to and you are an abundance magnet here. So it indicates that you are going to get a lot of wealth from your inheritance, as well as you will be able to retain that wealth, and you are going to increase that wealth because you are blessed by the fourth is the lifeline. As shown in the picture, the line marked in the red color is the lifeline. This particular line indicates the quality of your life. If this particular line is clear, cut, no cross, and it is not break, that indicates that you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life, and you will be always able to get a good flow of money in the life. But make sure that there should be no cut, no cross and break. If there is a cut, cross or break, that shows struggles money wise. You will be that indicates a stress line, that shows that you are going to struggle a lot money wise. But if there is no cut, no cross, and it is a plain full line, that indicates that you have a very good quality life and you are blessed by the universe. That is the most important, is the color of your palm. If the color of your palm is pink color, that indicates that you have a very good Venus planet. You will be able to attract money very easily in the life. If you have a color of the palm in the combination of the white and the red color, that also indicates that you are very lucky money wise. So you must notice that when you're going through a lot of bad days or a lot of stress in your life, you started noticing you will be seeing a lot of cuts and the crosses on your palm. That is not a good sign. But when you are going through good days, or when the good days are coming ahead, then you will be started noticing your hand color started changing and your hand will become much more clear. This is a sign that good days are coming ahead and you are blessed. And the last one is how good you at savings. So if there is a more gap between the fingers, that indicates that you are very bad in savings and you face a lot of problems in saving money. But if there is a few gap or there is a no gap between the fingers, that means you are very good at savings and you are lucky money wise. Do let me know in the comment what all signs for the palm reading. You can connect to my team on the given number. My team is going to help you out. And if you're looking to learn the palmistry, then also you can connect me on the same number. My team is going to help you out. The new batch is going to start in coming 15 days. Thank you. Have a great